Dear viewers, today I am going to discuss on the 12 signs of 12 zodiac signs of Vedic astrology. Today I shall discuss on the third zodiac sign, Gemini, of Vedic astrology. Gemini is the third astrological sign in the zodiac, originating from the constellation of Gemini under the tropical zodiac. How is Gemini person look like? Gemini person are playful and intellectually curious. Gemini is constantly juggling a variety of passions, hobbies, careers, and friend groups. They are the social butterflies of the zodiac. These quick-witted twins can talk to anyone about anything. A fearless thinker, Gemini is always down to try something new. Why Gemini is dangerous? The most dangerous thing about Gemini is that they are unbelievable and disorganized. They are probably not going to rob you, but they may lose your favorite necklace, what they borrowed it, or they may blow up parking ticket until they have a warrant out for their arrest. Gemini tend to intellectualize their emotions, but a dark Gemini has difficulty empathizing with other people or understanding the emotional consequences of their actions. They tend to act without regard for others and feel no guilt or remorse. It is this lack of empathy, it is this lack of sympathy that leads to all of Gemini's darkest trait. Gemini is humorist, Gemini is intellectual personalities. Gemini has intellectuality indeed. The dark side of Gemini is that they spend lavishly whatever they earn. They cannot save a single paisa for future. So it is my personal advice to Gemini. Try to save for the rainy day. Otherwise, you have to suffer in the long run. Gemini women are not good in comparison to Gemini male. Gemini women very often are seen to involve themselves with unfair relationships, what is serious harmful for their life. So it is my personal advice to Gemini women. Try to keep yourself far away from this malpractice. Otherwise, you have to suffer in the long run. Gemini live long. If all the planets are well placed in their birth chart or horoscope, their lifetime may be exceeded up to 96 years. Gemini, man or both man and woman, suffer at days of 3, 5, 10, 30, and 38 and 58. Gemini, both men and women have to suffer at days of 3, 5, 10, 30, 38 and 58. They have to suffer a lot within these years. Jupiter and Venus are favorable planet for Gemini. Saturn and Moon are neutral planet for Gemini. So my dear friends, I no more want to lengthen my speech. Hope that you have got a clear conception on the characteristics of Gemini. Actually, the characteristics of any zodiac sign of the astrology cannot be described in a word. As I have started this channel newly, I am immature at all. After my maturity, I shall try to upload more informative and educative videos on the 12 zodiac signs of Vedic astrology in future. So at the very end of my videos, you are requested to subscribe, to like, or to share my videos to others, and to press the notification bell to get the notification of my all uploaded videos. Namaskar.